In this video, we'll be showing you how to fix the TikTok shop button not showing. So first and foremost, of course, you'll have to be able to have an account, so sign in or log in your TikTok account. So once you've done that, we can go ahead and check if the TikTok app is in its latest version. We can do that by going to the Play Store or App Store. If you're in iOS, just search in TikTok and you'll see if there's an update button, and if there isn't, then that means you should be in the latest version. And next, if that doesn't work, we'll have to go to settings. We'll go to our apps management, so that we'll be able to find our TikTok app. So once we're here, we can just search that up, manage apps, and we'll have to find the TikTok app. You can do that by searching it, or you can just scroll down to it by its corresponding alphabetical letter. So over here we're looking for T, we'll have TikTok. Just press on that and we'll just clear cache. The same with iOS. And now we can go back to our app, and if that still doesn't work, we can go to our settings and privacy in our TikTok app, and we'll scroll down a little bit until we find our report a problem button. Once you find that, let's just press that and you'll be led to a customer service area where you'll be able to chat with them. As you can see here, chat with us. You can just press that button, and here you can just type down the problem that your TikTok shop feature is not showing or not working. And once you've done that, they will reply with the reason or a problem or a solution that you can use in order to fix the problem you are facing. Our usual cases that the reason why it doesn't show up is because it's not available in your region. So that's all. Thank you.